Morning, my name is Jill Game. I'm the Director of Studies at Institut Saint-Jean and also the Project Manager for the Succeed project, which is the project part of the HEPSA program founded by Royal Academy of Engineering. So today let's start by defining what is Succeed. Succeed stands for Supporting University Curriculum and Creativity in Engineering Entrepreneurship Development. So the project is a hub and spoke model which is done in partnership with UK universities and companies. We have local universities in Cameroon and we have local industry partners locally in Cameroon. So the project has two main aims. The first was to launch a Fab Lab locally in Cameroon to enhance research and project development. We also had a second aim, which is to update engineering curriculum to meet industrial needs. The project benefits is for students, for academic, and for industries. So next, I'm really going to focus about the outcomes of this second phase of the project regarding the engineering curriculum reinforcement. So the first outcome that we have was on the quality and partnership side. So we have drastically improved the quality process within the university. So we have implemented the improvement board which happen each semester. Around the table we have students, we have academic, and we have industry. We have a discussion and we exchange about the courses that are happening, and we see how we can improve them. There is a deep reflection on course development. At the end, we have action plan that we will be implementing at the university. We also have educational plan we have with our university lecturers. There are surveys that happen twice in a semester from students to get their feedbacks. We have also signed a lot of industrial partnerships. We have implemented coaching and mentoring program, and we have storytelling events that happen once each month where a business manager come to the university and exchange with students about his experiments, how he made himself and how he succeed in building or creating his own company. We also have engineering entrepreneurship outcomes. So we have identified a couple of technical expertise that were necessary locally and also necessary for our students to be able to work within the worldwide market of the IT. We have also identified the transversal know-how, so communication skills, argumentation, presentation. So language skills are as well as in the IT field, most of the time they will be working with foreign companies, so they really need to have a good level of English. We also implement entrepreneurial activities, and there's a full entrepreneurial program within their studies at the 5th year, so where they will be having all the aspect of creating or building a new company. There will be a connection between student and university even after their graduation. It's really interesting to maintain that link. We also have outcome in terms of educational approach. We have changed our way of teaching students. So we start by focusing on skills. So we identify for each of the courses that students were having this necessary skill that they need to have on that courses. There was a complete redesign of the courses based on this new approach with more involvement of the student in this educational approach. We also work on project-based training. So in most of the courses that students have in a semester, there will be a project in that courses, and at the end for that project they will be working in team mode, so there will be a synergy, so working in the same way that they will be working in their future professional life. So we also encourage students to work in project mode. So now we need to adapt face to the COVID. So the COVID impact was the university was closed, the company as well was closed, there were no lectures happening at the university again, students were back at home, same as employees. So we need to maintain a project continuity, educational continuity, and also internship continuity. So we move to online courses. We need to train our lecturers for that. We need to adapt our courses, we have implemented a lot of IT tools to be sure that we maintain that educational continuity. We also have to bring our support to companies to guarantee the feasibility of our student internship, because even now that there is COVID running, all our students are having their internship from home, and we have a lot of IT tools to manage and follow that. And we also adapt our project to be more IT related for it. So thanks a lot for listening to my presentation, and we really thank the Royal Academy of Engineering to making this possible. Goodbye.